How many of you have had one of those amazing dances where at the end of the dance, both you and your partner go, oh my God, that was amazing. Can I please have another? Yeah? Okay. How many of you have one of those pretty much every night you go out dancing? Yeah. Yeah. How about at least two? Yeah. Five? Okay. Right? So the goal of this weekend, is we're calling it Make Every Dance Amazing. Because my goal is to help you guys be able to take every single dance you have with everyone and make it one of those dances, right? Now, we're gonna get some very specific structural technique as well. You're gonna learn a connection technique that one of the top West Coast swing champions came up to me 10 years after taking this class and said, I still remember that class, I still use that technique in my dancing, right? You're gonna learn a musicality technique that allows you to dance to any song that even if you've never heard it before and still be instantly musical, right? You're also gonna learn how to take technique from any class and make it work with everyone. So if you go to a Lindy Hop class, or a tango class, or a blues class, or even a fusion class, and you learn a really cool technique, but it only works with people who know the same technique, I'm gonna show you how to tweak it so that you can use it with everyone, so that you can have every dance amazing from that technique, right? And the reason I'm able to do this and say this confidently is because I've traveled to 236 cities across 38 countries to teach and research dance. I've taken from the best of the best in almost every area of partner dance and always listen to them from a perspective of, how do I take that technique they're teaching and make it work with everyone, right? So, and it's not gonna be a fluff weekend. We're gonna measure the amount of amazing dances you have. We're gonna start the weekend asking the same question, and then at the end, after, we're gonna ask again, how many amazing dances did you have at the dances that night? And you will see an improvement. I find on average, somewhere between 2 to 5 times as many amazing dances people will have. So, yeah. And there's so much more I want to tell you about this, but we only have a few minutes, so I'm going to wrap up and say, the thing I'll say about this weekend is many of you will remember it for 10 plus years. Some of you will remember it for the rest of your lives. Yeah?
So we should go.
Yes. I agree. Now, the price is $335. However, we love early signups. So we're giving a $200 discount to the first 20 people that purchase, okay? That brings the price down to $135, yeah? We currently have 14 tickets left. So if you want one of those 14 tickets, what we ask is that you also are willing to kind of be a beta tester on purchasing. Okay, we don't even have the website up yet. We have a Google Doc that explains everything I just shared with you with a few more cool details that I don't have time to get into, right? And a purchase link, right? It is working, the purchase link is working. We've tested it 6 times. But there's always snafus, right? So we're asking, just be patient with us. If you don't get the thank you email and it goes to your spam, or the Google Doc does not look pretty like a website, we're giving you a $200 discount as a thank you for signing up that early. Does that make sense? Yeah. Say yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
I have a question. If we're gonna invest, do you have a sample?
We are gonna do, I wasn't gonna say this now, but we are gonna do a kind of a little bit sample later tonight. So stick around, we're gonna do something where you'll feel a little bit of what we do, or what I do.
Yeah. I don't know if I tuned out or I missed the date entirely, but I never heard of it.
Thank you, we didn't say that. Okay. August 2nd and 3rd.
Okay.
August 2nd and 3rd, first weekend in August, right? If you already know you want to buy a ticket, danceninjas.com/unity. Okay, that'll forward you to the Google Doc, give you all the information. Yep, you can pull out your phone right now. danceninjas.com/UNITY. Okay?
Say it again.
What?
Say it again.
Yeah, danceninjas.com/UNITY, unity.